Imagine making $2,000 a month as a teenager. No time clock, no boss. No one tells you what you're worth. Just you, your ideas, and the drive to prove what you're really capable of. You need just Wi-Fi, laptop, and the courage to start. Here are 3 side hustles that can make you $2,000 a month. 1. Content creation. The digital goldmine for teens in the age of the attention economy. Businesses are desperate for one thing: high-quality content. As a digitally literate, you're already fluent in TikTok trends, Instagram Reels, and what actually grabs attention online. Choose a niche you resonate with, like local coffee shops, fitness studios, or boutique stores, and pitch a straightforward offer. I'll create 8 short-form videos for your business for $300 to $400. 2. Specialized tutoring. Turn your knowledge into income. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You already know the material. Now it's about positioning yourself as the go-to resource for students who need clarity and for parents who want to see results. If you're already excelling in school, you're sitting on a highly marketable asset. Parents are looking for specialized support in high-stakes subjects like SAT prep, coding, college essays, or advanced math, and they're willing to pay. Start by identifying your strongest subject, target local parent groups on Facebook, community forums, or tutoring platforms. Charge $30 to $50 per hour and aim for 10 to 15 tutoring hours each week. 3. E-commerce. Turn creativity into cash. If you're even a little creative, you're already sitting on a business opportunity. From custom tumblers and handmade jewelry to digital art, stickers, or personalized apparel, teens everywhere are transforming passion projects into profitable e-commerce brands. Choose one product and focus on quality and consistency. Set up a dedicated Instagram account that showcases your process, packaging, and finished pieces. This isn't just side income, it's a gateway into branding, marketing, logistics, and real-world entrepreneurship.